Good morning, treasurers. This is your host, Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech, and you are listening to Night Snippets. Here is all what you need to know before going into trade for 26th March 2021. In the international market, Jerome Powell told NPR Thursday that congressional stimulus and accelerated vaccine distribution has allowed the economy to recover faster than expected. At some point, that will allow the Fed to start pulling back on the help it has provided. This at some point remark from Fed was seen as an indication that stimulus will be rolled back and is in mind, but the timings are not certain yet. US 10-year closed 163 and 30-year closed at 234 on Thursday, as we have seen some buying emerging at 175 levels, bringing the yields down. Ultimately, Knight Research believes that US 10-year will trade in 2 to 220 range by December year end. In the crude oil market, crude is trading at $62.61 per barrel. Short-term range for crude is 60 to 64. Suez Canal tanker mishap, third wave of COVID-19 in Europe are the main fears in the crude oil market. There is an OPEC Plus meeting on 1st April, but widely it is expected that there won't be any easing of any oil production cuts as demand is still not back to pre-COVID levels. In the currency market, DXY is at 92.78. Today's range for DXY is 92.44 to 92.97. As we have been saying in the last couple of days, DXY is strengthening due to EU lockdowns and stronger US recovery. DXY has given a close above 92.60 already and has almost touched 92.81 as well yesterday itself, which was our support for yesterday. Now, if DXY closes above 93, which is a minor hurdle, then it is moving towards 94.25. USD CNY or Chinese Yuan is at 654. This has been rising steadily from 647 to 654 in the last couple of weeks. USD INR with a high of 72.68 closed at 72.62 on Thursday. Daily, higher highs are being formed for the last 3 days. USD INR range seems to be 72.55 to 72.85. As we have been saying in our podcast for the last 2 days that the dollar is becoming stronger on an intraday basis, 72.70 has been tested for last 2 days in failed attempts, but it will be crossed today. For immediate, we will see USD INR top 72.82 for now. But if DXY is trading at 94.25, we will see USD INR at 73.50, 74 levels very soon. In the domestic market, 26 March 2021 GSEC OMO analysis, 515 cutoff was at 97.97 or 565, 585 cutoff was at 97.89 or 614, 622 cutoff was at 95.75 or 669. The cutoffs were in line and market reacted positively. 515 GS 2025 closed at 564 versus 568 the previous trading day. 585 2030 closed at 613 versus 615 the previous trading day. There is a strong resistance for 585 GS 2030 at 611, beyond which 608 is possible. We at Knight Research continue to maintain our stance that March ending should be near 615. We still maintain our stance that if you have to book profits or losses before 31st March, please do so. That's it for today. You are listening to Night Snippets with Parthesh Shah, co-founder of Fintech. See you tomorrow with the new episode of Night Snippets.